How to activate free SSL certificate on Hyper.Host website. Needless to say, that SSL certificate helps protect websites' sensitive information, such as credit card numbers and passwords, from being intercepted by hackers. Also, SSL certificate is crucial for building trust with your audience. How to add an SSL certificate to your Hyper.Host website. Adding an SSL certificate to your Hyper.Host website is easy. Just follow these steps. 1. Log in to your Hyper.Host control panel. 2. Click on the website's icon under Manage Hosting section. 3. Select the website that you want to add the SSL certificate to and click on Manage. 4. Scroll down to the Security tab and click the SSL TLS icon. 5. Click the Activate Free SSL button. Activating the SSL certificate may take up to 30 minutes. Once activated, your website will be secured with HTTPS. Adding an SSL certificate to your Hyper.Host website is a simple way to protect your visitors' privacy, improve your website's SEO ranking, and build trust with your visitors.